Hi there, this is Penelope, and this is a short video on a couple of problems that are from the MyMathLab exercise on straight lines. The questions that you get won't necessarily be exactly the same, but this video may help you with these questions, these type of questions. First one is find the equation of a line that passes through 2 points. This is a pretty standard one, and you need to remember that the equation for a straight line is that. And there are other ways that you can do it, so I'll do it a couple of ways. Right, we've got the 2 points 4, 3 and 5, 6, so we can find the slope of the line that joins them. And remember, it doesn't matter which way you use the points, as in x1 and x2, etc., as long as you are consistent. I'm going to use 6 minus 3 over 5 minus 4, which gives me a slope of 3. And then using 1 point, I'm going to use 5, 6. Then I can put in 6 as y, so I'm going to put it into here. So that says that 6 equals 3 times 5 plus c. Now I can rearrange that to find that c is equal to -9. So my equation is now y equals 3x minus 9. And I could check with the other point just to make sure that it works. So that would tell me that 3 was equal to 3 times 4 minus 9. Yep, that's true. Okay, you can use the formula for finding this. So you could write it like this. You could write, just using the formula, y minus 6 divided by x minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 3 over 5 minus 4. And you can pretty quickly see that this is actually the same. And that works out as y is equal to 3x minus 15 plus 6, which is the same. And this is also another formula as well. So that's a third way of finding that equation when you're given 2 points. Now the next one, you are given 2 points, but one of the values is unknown. Now this time you are told the distance between the 2 points, so that means we can use the formula for that and hopefully find the missing bit of information. So we'd start off by saying that 18 is equal to, and this formula is in your notes, so -4 minus 9 squared plus 3 minus y squared. All right, we need to do a bit of expansion. -4 minus 9 is -13. -13 squared is 169. Plus 9, now I'm going to expand the brackets properly, 9 minus 6y plus y squared. Tidying up a tad, so we've got 169 plus 9, that's 178, minus 6y plus y squared. I need to get rid of my square root sign. 18 squared, use my calculator or my brain, I actually use my brain, is 324. Is equal to 178 minus 6y plus y squared, and I'd want to be rearranging that so that I've got, oops, I don't need 2 of those, so I've got a quadratic Now just looking at that straight away, I can pretty much guarantee that that's not going to be factorizable, so I'm going to use the formula, the quadratic formula, where a is 1, b equals -6, and c equals -146. So then I would say 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus, so plus all over 2. Now I can write that as 6 plus or minus the square root of, what do we get, 620. And then if the question is asking, as this one does, to leave your answer as the most accurate answer for y, then you can't be going square rooting these numbers and not getting a nice number. So what we would do is we would use we'd probably use your calculator to do this, but 620 is 4 times 155, and then you could say that that's 6 plus or minus 2, because the square root of 4 is 2, root 155 over 2, and now you can cancel out the common factor of 2 and write 3 plus or minus square root of 155. Now, that's fine for your answer. MyMathLab would now want you to write two answers, 3 plus square root of 155 and 3 minus the square root of 155, but that's fine. But when it's asking you for the exact answer, then leaving it as square root of 155 is correct.